Alrighty, so welcome back to the channel, everybody. So you're asking yourselves, why is the Brit on a Bike's video camera focusing on a box that says glass, fragile, do not drop? Well, it's not glass. In this box are my CBX SuperSport 6-cylinder carburetors. And the last time you saw them, I had just taken them off the bike and they look like this. Old, nasty, 40 years of not being used. So yeah, what I did was I boxed them up and sent them out to Mr. CBX himself, Mr. Dave McMahon out in Knox, Pennsylvania, who is an expert on all things CBX, restorations, and especially rebuilding and sinking these carbs. So I've just gotten these back. They were basically in his care, being rebuilt for about a month. And he returned them to me in the same box as I sent them to him. So an official unboxing of my newly rebuilt and fully restored and synced. He synced them up, I might say. CBX carburetors. Box inside a box inside a box. And this is literally my first time seeing them. Wow, here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. So I'm going to open up this bag. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning. And I am so excited about getting these back on the bike and everything running. Anyway, here it comes. I feel like we should have a little drum roll or something. Wow. These look. Oh my goodness me. I hope this is coming out on the video properly. Look at that. These have all been replated and polished. My goodness me, look at that. What a thing of beauty. Now, this wasn't cheap, but I think it was extremely good value for money because I just don't know what I'm doing. I've never rebuilt 6 carbs or even this size carb before. I've worked on dirt bike carburetors and cleaned and rejetted and done a little bit of needle cleaning. This to me was just far too complex a job. But wow, wow, wow. New hoses, new clamps, everything's been cleaned and plated. My goodness, they look absolutely fantastic. So you probably want to know how much this cost me. Well, $900 is the answer to that question for a full rebuild and all the necessary new parts and the plating, which he offered to do, and that was all part of it. So these are going to look fantastic back on the bike. And fingers crossed they're very close to being perfectly sunk up. They might need a little bit of tuning when they go back on. But yeah, so there we go. 6-cylinder CBX SuperSport carburetors, fully restored, rebuilt with completely new interiors, new needles, new jets, all the bells and whistles. He did basically everything that needed to be done to make sure these would be as perfect going back on the bike as possible. So the next time you see these, we'll be putting them back on the bike. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support of the channel and continuing to watch these videos and watching my progress as I rebuild this very special classic motorcycle. So thanks again, and thank you, Dave McMahon, for the work you did making these as great looking as I think they are. I'm gonna lay these down. Close and tight. Pretty awesome.